Hello, Ruffles. Want some cuddles? Come here, little Ruffles. Where's my baby? Oh, there he is. Here comes Ruffles. There's my baby bird. Hi, sweetie pie. Hey, baby. Hi. It's my little lovebird. Here's my baby bird. Oh, does he love my ruffles? I do. I love my ruffles. Oh, what a good boy he is. What a good baby. He loves you. He loves you, Ruffles. Hi, BJ. Hi, Mabel. It's Ruffles time, though. You need to give love to Ruffles. Oh, what a good boy. What a good baby you are. Oh, I love my Ruffles. I do. I love that Ruffles. Don't chew your foot. No need to chew feet. We love his feet.